Well, it's a stormy start to the UP Assembly budget session. On expected lines, there was ruckus. The BSP MLAs created a furore over Governor B.L. Joshi address. As soon as Joshi began his speech in the Assembly, the BSP MLAs shouted slogans and even threw paper balls at the governor. The opposition accused the governor of lauding Akhilesh government's accomplishments and reading out a government-prepared speech. The BJP had also decided to boycott governor's address, citing government's laxity in arrangements made at the Mahakumbh.
महामहिम राज्यपाल जी का अभिभाषण केवल झूठ का सरकारी पुलिंदा है। महाकुंभ में बड़ा हादसा इस अराजक माहौल का एक बड़ा नमूना है। बहुजन समाज पार्टी ने इसका पुरजोर विरोध किया और साथ ही साथ महामहिम राज्यपाल जी को वापस जाने के लिए सपा सरकार को बर्खास्त करने की मांग को रखते हुए अपनी बात सदन के अंदर प्रस्तुत किया।
विगत कई वर्षों में सबसे ज्यादा लोगों की कहीं न कहीं प्रशासनिक विफलता, संवादहीनता या गलत इंतजामात के कारण हुआ है। इस पर विस्तार से चर्चा होनी चाहिए। मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि महामहिम राज्यपाल जी का भाषण आया, इसको देखने के बाद कि अगला वर्ष भी प्रदेश का दिशाहीन है। मुझे नहीं लगता कि मौजूदा सरकार के नेतृत्व में प्रदेश विकास की ओर बढ़ पाएगा।
Well, my colleague Amir Haq now joins us live from Lucknow with the latest. Amir, familiar scenes in UP Assembly. We've witnessed ruckus there earlier as well. But what's ironic is the fact that BSP legislators were protesting against the law and order situation in the state with these unruly scenes.
It's actually, Ruchika, the assembly staff and marshals today had a tough time protecting the state governor from paper balls and bits of papers being thrown on him. And the premise that the BSP and RLD used to protest in such a way against the governor's address was that the governor's address was a bundle of lies, and also that the state government has done nothing over the last 1 year as far as law and order situation is concerned. Also, both opposition parties were demanding a judicial inquiry into the stampede incident that happened at Kumbh.
Amir Haq reporting there from Lucknow on the chaos that was witnessed today in UP Assembly on the opening day of the budget session of Uttar Pradesh Assembly.